Hank. Hankster. Look at mommy for a second. Can you show me your eyes? Where are your eyes? Hey. What's wrong? Let me see your eyes. Buddy. Hank. I'm going to turn the TV off. Look at mommy.
Oh.
Where's your mouth? Where's your belly? What if I get your belly?
No.
I can't get your belly? Where's your stickers? Let me see. Let me see them. Can I see them? Bring them here. Come here. Let me see your stickers. What color stickers do you have?
Red ball.
No. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Where's the red one? Where's the purple? Where's the green? No, it's blue. Where's the green? Where's the cow? Where is the yellow sticker? It's red. Yellow? Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Can you say cow?
No.
Where's your eyes? Are you all done?
No.
Say bye-bye.
No.
Blow kisses. Can you blow kisses? Blow kisses to mommy. I'll catch them. Ready?
No.
Mwah!
No.
Okay, this is the kind of mood we're in. Bye-bye.
No.